Today we are going to see an introduction to Sketchware. This is the application or the platform. You just need to go to Play Store, write Sketchware like this number, then download the application, and after downloading the application, then install it in your mobile phone. That is your Android phone, right? Now, before get started, now let's try it. Let's us launch this application and see. This is a Sketchware. Now, Sketchware, it is a platform that is being designed by MIT, as Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Now, they did design this platform to make publishers to so that publishers can easily develop their Android application without any knowledge of coding. Now, but there is a language that is used to uh, that is used in this gateway, which is the block programming language. We are going to see each and every part aspect of in this set of tutorial. Okay. Now, before we get started, now this is the homepage of the what? This is the homepage of the Sketchware, and don't forget this is just introductions to the Sketchware. Okay. Now this is the homepage. As you are seeing, this is my project. Now all the project, this project, any application that you are designing in Sketchware is called a project. So these are my projects. There are two projects I'm working on. The first one is music application. Here I'm trying to design a music application, and the second one is my calendar. This is a calendar, normal calendar application. Okay, this one is published to Google Play Store. Now each and every application that you design, if you want to make it live on Google Play Store, so you are going to use this button. But don't worry yourself, we are going to see how to monetize and publish your Android application uh, so that people can easily access your application through Google Play Store. Okay. So now this is a menu that contains some tabs here. So I don't think you're going to use this any tab here. Don't worry yourself on this one. Okay. Now the most important thing here is to how to add a project. Now, as you are seeing here, there is one plus sign here. If you click here, so this is how to add an application in or project in a Sketchware. So now you just name your application. That's enter application name. Now let's say my app. Now here, if you want to add an icon in your application, you just click here. You see, choose from gallery, with crop. That is this one. If you want to edit the image that you have chosen, then change to default icon. This is just the default icon, so let's just leave it as default icon for the first time. Okay, this here is advanced setting, where you see color accent, color primary, these are some important or less important tabs in your application. Here is Android project name. You can also change it to be my my app. This one is how to change the version. If you want to change the version, you just need to click here, as you are seeing version control. Okay. Now we made it to be version code 2, version 1.0. Now save it. Now click create application after this one. So now here is your application is here, my app. So this took us to the real homepage of the Sketchware platform. This Sketchware platform contains three most important tabs, which are as follows: the View tab, the Event tab, and the Component tab. So each and every one of these tabs has its own important, very own important. Okay. So as you are seeing under the View tab, there are also most important aspects: the widget, the layout, and the widgets. The layout contains four subtabs, while the widgets contain 10 subtabs also. Now, there is not any application that you will design without the use of what either linear H, linear V, scroll H, and scroll V. That is the layout. This linear H means linear horizontal. This is linear vertical, scroll horizontal, and scroll vertical. Okay. These widgets include the text view. That is, if you want to write a text on your application, this is edit text. Now, if you want to edit a text, like when filling a form inside applications, you are going to use this one. The bottom, the image, if you want to put image. So now this is just an introduction to the, like, let me just say, the front end of the application. Now this is the back end. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to explain each and every sub tabs and tabs here so that we get started. Okay, thank you. But don't forget that if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so as to receive the latest updates. Okay, thank you.